So these are the layers of soils: organic layer, topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. And as you can see, these are grasses and these are roots of it. And for farming, it is the best layer to use organic layer. It is best for like farming. It have dead remains of human, like plants and animals feces or anything, or dead plants. And from organic layer, at the surface it is the darkest layer. It is made mainly from organic materials, the litter or remains of dead plants and animals. About topsoil, the thicker layer under the surface is a mixture of humus and rocky fragment, and it is called topsoil. Below the topsoil is subsoil. Sub means under or below. Bedrock larger contain rocks. It just contains rocks. As you can see over here, it just all rocks. And these are some of the soil layers and the types of soil and what are the functions of that soils. Thank you.